Defining deduction in design. Deduction is a top-down strategy, meaning deduction is a form of logical reasoning where one starts with general established principles or theories, core concepts, and applies them to a specific case to arrive at a necessary and certain conclusion. So basically, it's a general premise leading to a specific conclusion. In architecture, deduction means the design is the logical consequence of a governing idea, a strict rule set, or an overarching constraint. It is often associated with architects who emphasize purity, logic, and structural expression. How about the application of deduction in architecture? The key role of deduction when it comes to architecture is to ensure a design is compliant, consistent, and structurally sound. It allows the architect to test a theoretical or formal idea rigorously across the entire project. Deductive reasoning often leads to designs that are clear and rational, easy to understand the design logic, purely geometric, forms derived from simple, universal shapes, non-ornamental, stripping away anything that doesn't follow the core premise, the less is more philosophy. Some of the existing examples we can list for deduction in architecture are the Buckminster-Fuller Montreal Biosphere, U.S. Pavilion, located in Montreal, Canada, by the architect Buckminster-Fuller. The Ryugyong Hotel, located in Pyongyang, North Korea, by Baekdusan Architects and Engineers. The Guggenheim Museum, located in New York City, USA, by Frank Lloyd Wright. The Palace of Peace and Reconciliation, located in Astana, Kazakhstan, by Norman Foster. The Apple Park, located in Cupertino, California, USA, by Norman Foster. What about our deduction design? Why is it named Syllog Institute? The Syllog Art Institute derives its identity from the syllogism, the fundamental unit of deductive reasoning, where a necessary conclusion is drawn from two established premises. In this architectural application, the building is treated not as an additive construction, but as a logical conclusion. Syllog Institute is located in Sancaktepe, Istanbul. Due to its surrounding of other educational facilities, while also being a residential area and its flat terrain, the site best fits using deduction as a design strategy. Establishing the deductive grid, you can see our deductive axis sequence. By establishing a strict coordinate system across the site, we identified the primary traces for the form. This grid ensures that every edge of the building is a logical response to the site boundaries and the orientation of the surrounding urban fabric. Next, we projected our program onto this grid. We divided the school into two primary logical clusters. On one side, the public and open studios, which act as the face of the institute. On the other, the core academic spaces, including classrooms and seminar rooms. The result is the conceptual mass seen here. It is a dual-volume composition connected by a central bridge. This is the inevitable form. It isn't just a creative choice, but the final conclusion of our deductive process. The yellow tones highlight the building's identity as an art school, standing as a rational, ordered anchor within its residential surroundings. The functional mapping legend shows how the complex internal program, from 3D modeling labs to collaborative working studios, fits perfectly within this deduced shell, proving that functional efficiency and geometric logic can work as one. That was Syllog Institute. Thank you for watching.